Neary Technologies welcomes you to a demonstration of the 555 SRI Spin Relief Reel Grinder. Let's take a look at what's involved in proper setup of the reel, which ensures the reel is a true cylinder when the grind is completed. We'll also show you how you can easily relief grind whenever you want. The setup is very simple. All you do is drop the front roller into brackets and clamp it in. Then clamp the rear roller. You then connect the spin drive. Next, use a digital gauge to align the reel. Neary Technologies aligns from the front first to square the reel parallel with the travel of the grinding head. Then, with one reading, you can easily measure the taper of the reel. By removing the taper, you are assured that the grind meets the highest quality possible. Before closing the door, a touch-off process is used to grind the entire length of the reel, and this is done by using the in-feed hand wheels on each side of the machine. Turn things on, and you're grinding in less than a couple of minutes. After upfeeding to begin the spin grind process, you set the hand wheel digital gauges to 0 and make the in-feed adjustments as needed to remove the taper. Floor-to-floor spin grind time for greens moors can range between 6 to 12 minutes, and for fairway moors, it will range between 10 to 20 minutes. It simply depends on how dull the reel was and how much taper had developed through use. After spin grinding to a sharp edge, you have two options. The first is you can remove the reel out of the machine when you're done spin grinding. The reel is easily unclamped and removed from the machine, and you're ready to grind another reel. The second option you have when you're done spin grinding is to transition to the relief grind. This is the last step of returning reels to the manufacturer's specifications. You'll have noticed that it took less than 60 seconds to change to the relief grind. Now you can let the machine do the work while you do something else. After a complete cycle of blades, you simply use the in-feed hand wheels to conduct a second pass on the blades. Typically, it only takes one pass on a greens mower and 2 to 3 infeeds on a fairway mower. Quick touch-up spin grinds or returning the reels to the manufacturer's specifications. The choice is always yours. One thing you can be assured of is that no matter what method of grinding is chosen, the high quality of the end product is consistent and easy to achieve. This concludes the demonstration of our 555 SRI spin relief grinder. If you have any questions or inquiries, please call 800-233-4973 or visit our website at www.nearytech.com.